sidetracked. How are you? What's going on? What a guan, what a guan. I was just trying to see if my thing was connected. So today we're having a discussion about a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So you know, good girl Annie up on the chopping board again. Now for all of those who don't know Annie, if you're not a Jamaican, you're probably not familiar with the ghetto hood rat that they call Annie. Yeah, when you talk about ghetto hood rat, them they are the type of people who good pan the cussing. They cuss your dog, name yourself, but nothing of their head in the people. Nothing in the people them head from Annie. Annie have about, I never 7, 8, 9 or 10 pitney Annie have, but it's a whole heap of number of children. She has. So Annie have one little pitney. The little last one. Ah God, I don't like to talk bad about certain, but it is what it is. Yeah. As a parent, you have to know. Then again, I know everybody did get that kind of upbringing there, where you know how to deal with the children, that kind of decent. Where? Here. I know everybody get that kind of upbringing there, where you have to teach your kids. Catch sunshine. Catch there. Yeah. I know everybody teach them kids because they themselves has not been given any lessons. So Annie so unfortunate because oh God, and then not of course Annie, you know. But most of the people them who are cuss Annie, them not have no credentials either, you know. They don't have no qualification, but them behavior, I mean, little bit better than Annie. Now Annie daughter was named Zoey. Me hear Annie come out the other day and Annie say, Zoey I go back to school. Zoey not go to school for about 3 years now. And she about 30. And Annie have a little girl online. I do them TikTok video where them dance and them do all type of stuff, all type of thing. Where inappropriate things I might say. Where she and her kids them are, where she make the kids them do with her. So the child has been out of school for like, and Zoey out of school for about 3 years. So, and it look like Annie has a hide from CDA because Annie moved 100 times. You understand? Annie not stay at one address for too long. Why them people then don't understand them? They don't have, oh God. Sometimes I sorry for them because they don't get to go to a good school and they don't get to, they have been failed by who were there before them. And them don't know A from Bullfoot. They can't spell cat or rat or mat. I like them kind of people they may attack. So Zoey always, I did not set no good example. One day Zoey brother bust it out, said Zoey have the big G, the gonorrhea, yeah. So she have that and it looked like the boy so upset because he try, that one our big son. To me, it's like the boy I try to talk to his mother, to guide the little sister them in a certain way. But through the mother claims, I think she the mother, she don't need to listen to when none of the other people say because everybody equally has a road, so she don't want to hear nothing. So Jagger, hi. So yeah, I want my friend that. I go see me arrange there. So Jagger come bust it out, say Zoey a shot man. How the little people mean for a shot man? Not even me big old great tone woman like me, never know a name shot man. Like me almost 100 years old and me never shot a man yet. Look on my face. Me never shot nobody yet. Nobody can come forward and say me never shot them. Me never catch no as a big woman. Me never catch none of them something yet because ragamuffin don't be say put some rubbers fire really. Yeah, things like that. But I'm about 20 or 21 hours. And dad come tell me about Sophia, the toilet seat. And the toilet seat, I catch it off. Then me never have no sense either, me believe. When me got the doctor, I go ask the medication, me got the chemist, a shame like dog. Me go, I whisper to the chemist, say, if she not. Hey. But anyway, me bigger than Zoey, me was 18 then time there, somebody that age. But anyway, back to Zoey. And then Zoey come back, so Jagger bust it up, say, Zoey have the big G. And then Zoey come back and confirm it to say, she get somebody shot her or she shot somebody her. But, oh God, they say a Zoey vocabulary. You can see say Zoey don't have no farm like our vocabulary don't wear rat and bat there. We don't talk about the prescription, don't it? Zoey say the prescription. Matter of fact, I don't know if them words then talk. But anyway, I just a couple weeks ago, it come out big and bold say, Zoey a shot man, and what have you. And them as usual, they come out, come ball, and chat iron, and they go along with for themselves, as usual, per usual, like I feel them think that. Then no, and they come out again and say, alright, Zoey I go back to school, and she don't want nobody mess around Zoey because Zoey I go focus on her CXC. RCX who? RCXC. Them picking the dons like that. Not even Annie. All of them dons. But you know, you can just look past some people and know so them dons. You just look past them and you know so them people, the dons get done. So that happened with Zoey. So Annie come and say Zoey, she don't want nobody trouble her picking, she want them go to school in peace. And because Zoey I go to CXC. And he shot the whole internet when Annie says Zoey I go to CXC. CXC will be a zero Zoey will get if she figure to CXC. Because that little pit there you can't see the dunceness for Zoey. Nevertheless, yeah, that. Today again now we come find out say Zoey I make video. Imagine Zoey I make video. And I spit per man kaki. Oh yeah, and I look up in a video. And I go, hey people, chat. Me I run a video make you see what I go on. Make you hear what some people say. Because I know what kind of spit powder Zoey there. Please, sir? Yeah? Yes, my love. Me soon come back.
You understand? I did this and you watch him on a video you and him star the show. Eh? No man, me can't help you. Me can't help you, you know. Me go can try, me go can talk, you know. You understand what I say? Eh? Brother. I lock up in blood clot, I don't care what I say. I hope you watch me. I hope you watch me. Now when I do one of the biggest reason I go lock up your blood clot to your lie and wicked. And you come on me yard, I ask about your parents, because I wonder over boy pin left Kingston for me so. Eh? And you know say me. As you see me, you say Annie. As you see me, you say Annie. Eh? I mean ask you how you left Kingston come on me yard. You come here with one do off. You understand? I tell you no go on the yard. But you did have your mission. The boat of uno, me lock up your nasty blood clot. I promise you. And me have to go to jail to lock you up. Me I lock you up. You understand me? So if you work at IBEX or if you work at call center, that means that you is a big blood clot, man. You understand what me I say? And you're boss. You're boss now, you know. You're boss, you know. That's why me know say so we not use our brains, you know. That's why me know say so we cheating really and truly could not use our brains, you know. Because now this boy a boss. And this boy go tell people say, all me you talk to. And me know about you. And me offer you. Me ask you for 50 grand and you couldn't pay your blood clot fear go back to your yard. Me ask you for 50 grand and you couldn't pay your fear go back to your... Hey, that little girl deserve me lick out her teeth out her blood clot head, you know. You ask me for fear, you beg fear. I beg me fear for go back to your yard. Yeah, look, girl pick me and no money. I'm going to tell you, guy your yard. I know you're going to come tell people, say, me ask you for pay me 50 grand for have sex with my daughter. You're going to prove that in front of me. You're going to prove that in front of me. And so long she's 15 years old and you're old enough, me I go charge you. I saw me see it. Don't want none already. I saw it ago. If I forgot jail for this or this, me I forgot jail for. Yeah. Your blood clot right out of order. You understand? So no take blood clot things. Now we talk about sorry. Nowadays I believe that people say them sorry just come out of the mouth. Me go here last night, you know. Me did it, you know. And me a reason with Jagger, you know. And me say Jagger, remember say a long time this ago and me always tell you to help me as a mother, you know, right? And in the end I say, but mommy are true. But a long time so we are them for me. You look out your eye more. What me I go do? Me I go sit down and take one match stick and stick here me eye and the pants so.
You say when I get the next two, I couldn't believe you say what the fuck this year. So we are porn star. And every one of them up here look show up in the camera. What the fuck?
I go through you come up yourself. Like some little bitch and come tell be like on your own mother.
Show well aware what you doing.
Me. I saw you deal with me. But when me
you never ready for next to a blood clot.
Mommy, you last night now. Mommy, me love you, know you.
Leave people like with the all over the internet come suck my pussy Riley. It they all go suck your mother too. What a black here.
You understand me? Look there, look how you gone back with the baby, mother. Look how you gone back with the baby. And watch it.
Everybody
you talk last night. You waste it.
You're not fit chat. Leave people like one only share life alone. Who don't know blood clot life and every day over your talking. Who don't leave prayer life, so why should believe who no one?
I go say, mommy, I become a thing say you have to. How do you this like expose her, you see it? A youth this, she go put herself with. A youth this, she go put herself with. A the youth this. And a boy. Brit, just slow your life now, brother. Yeah, California, you know say you cut off my life, you know, Brit. Brit, just cool, no, man. I didn't mean to like there's something, I know, me dip on my life, you call your life, you cut my life. Me not got my bed and dead with it. Me not got my bed and dead with nothing in my heart. Me not do you, God, I'm merciful, no. Me not got my bed with nothing in my heart. When you say me kill is okay. Me know who me is. Me not sell me you them. Yesterday, one of my friend, me and one of my friend link up, right? The person come from overseas and me rent a car. Or me rent a car, me carry kids them with me. Anytime me I travel, me carry me youth them with me. You understand? We go down Senti. You get what me I say? Alright. Yeah, that's how we have to go back down there last night. I put my daughter, I put Zoey back in the car. You see?
Say, mommy, I laugh for them. Because Zoey can have her boyfriend. Zoey can have her man. She have her own room since Jagger left. Me left now, so the other rooms, Madia are going to take it up. She can have her man come check her in the hours of night. She can smoke whenever she feel like. She can do whatever she want to do. Look at it. Your mother carry Akiwa, lock up Akiwa to say, him joking underage daughter. Lock him up. Throw the keys. Me say, alright, yes, true. One night time them, me did worry about her, me did afraid say, then go send man fear and thing. But she keep on put her life in a danger every time. Boom, see now, your daughter move to her next community. She no wait. Boom, she see one bike man what she like. Boom, she gone with him. Oh, was a night bike man a come at your house. Bike man even if baby father bike, I will call it quick and done, because people are going to say, oh, all bike right here, we make it turn.
Well, look, people, I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section about that. If I feel like, say, and they say, I owe them for real, you see, maybe she not going to put the price on them.
Because you sit down and say, me sell Anna, me sell Fiji.
So based on what Anna say, me not tell you. Based on what Anna say, I don't know work with. I sell Nika to JD.
How me sell Nika to JD?
So what if it?
How me sell Nika to JD?
You selling Zoey. What if
how me sell Nika to JD? How me sell Zoey? You see me sell Zoey?
You sell Nika for $500 USD.
Me says, when we done JD, give me the $500 for the steal them.
That is not the point. Your daughter is very bad. And you chose to blame me about it. You chose to blame everybody else, but you're not blaming yourself.
Listen to me. I will say my blame. I will take my blame for many things for me do. But you
take responsibility as a woman. You're 40 years old. Get your up and be a woman.
You want
to be a mother. Stop company media come and talk certain things as a mother. Stop company media come and wind up with Zoey. And I say, Jaden say you sell Nika to her. So that is based on what you hear, what you think about that.
me and you in a hotel with Jaden. Me and you in a bar with Jaden and Thomas together. So if we sell it,
you and you never take it out with Jaden and
Thomas.
Did I sell Nika?
No, remove your bumper glass. He's speaking himself and put fire down. No, don't move him. Because I because I live down there with one away. So if we did sell Nika, why did you use something at the time? Why you take me something? Why you see me sell Nika?
So we never said something to you.
Never in a life.
I want this girl to hear this and I got to tell you that you want her. You want her. See her. See her there as a water. You come on her life for water. All the same time when she did in a Jaden car, we want her. Me Jabas. Me and Jabas want her. Long time you want her. A long time you want her. No, but you see. You see. You want it. That's how I'm going to say. You have like big fat here, you are.
Jaden money. You understand me? Jabba can't admit it's a me. His mother, stepmother and sister. You learn to be a father, you have a chat for me. Like that's money. She must spend by the road. Long time. Like that's money. I talk about give Jaden the $500. Jaden give me $500 for steal. And from the day Jaden give me the $500 debt. He come like say it's a problem in my life. From the day Jaden give me the $500 US. And all of them time they get back away. You don't know my job back away. You have me a drink. So if you did it at the time, my sister, me sell your sister. look on this. So look come crucify me and nail me no man. Look come crucify me and nail me no man. Look come crucify me and nail me.